Hey folks, welcome back to the TH&B Railway. Just wanted to show you my train set after all the leaves and everything have fallen down. All the grapevines are cleared off, fallen, all the leaves. The train's running. Had a bit of a windstorm here the other night, and unfortunately my water tower toppled over and broke. I'm going to have to re-glue that back up. But I got the train running, kind of. Oh no! I'm going to have to fix that. I'll show you the water tower, what happened to it. Oh. Amber, get out of there! Stupid dog. Okay guys, let's go have a look at that water tower and see if we can't fix it. So as you can see, here's the water tower. It's broken into 3 parts. This here, no major damage, it just broke apart. So looks like I'm gonna have to re-glue it. I got some Gorilla Glue and I'll fix it up with the Gorilla Glue and it'll be back in place. That shouldn't take too long. There's my TH&B train up there. Here's my other train over here, all set up. And I got another one up here along with my starships. This is a look at my train shed. But yeah, I'll get to work on that. Okay, and here's the water tower all glued back together and fixed. Hopefully it'll stay together a little bit better. But there you go. I really like that water tower. It's pretty neat. So I'll go put it back out in the yard. And there you go. You can see it's back in the yard. Everything's back together. It's looking really good out here. So, until next time, people, remember, talk about trains.